Hello, my dear students. This is the last part of Unit 1, Visitors to Egypt, and this is a workbook. Let's start with question number 1. Match the words and their meanings. Okay. Number 1, bazaar. A bazaar is a market. Or a group of shops. Police station is an office for people who catch thieves. Snorkeling, swimming with equipment so that you can breathe with your head in the water. Tourist information center, an office where you can find out about a city or an area. Youth hostel, an inexpensive place where young people can stay when they are traveling. We have done with question number 1. Question number 2, here saying complete the table using these words. Sports you can do on water and sports you can do in water. Okay, the sports we can do it on water is fishing, sailing, and windsurfing. And the sports we can do it in water, we can say scuba diving, snorkeling, and swimming. Scuba diving, snorkeling, and swimming. Question number 3, complete the advice with should or shouldn't. Okay, number 1, when you go diving, you should tell people where you are going. Number 2, you shouldn't swim too far from the boat. You shouldn't swim too far from the boat. Number 3, you shouldn't stay under the water for too long. You shouldn't stay under the water for too long. Number 4, you should look out for dangerous sharks. You should look out for dangerous sharks. Number 5, you shouldn't go diving if the weather is bad. You shouldn't go diving if the weather is bad. Okay, here saying write a paragraph about what you should do to help your parents at home. Okay, we can say some words here. There is let's start with there is some advice about what you should do at home. You should clean after yourself. You should help your parents. You should look after your younger brother or sister. You shouldn't speak loudly. You shouldn't do a mess, and other things. There are a lot. We can say it about what we should and shouldn't do at home to help the parents. Okay, page number 2. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. An assistant is a person who helps in a shop or in a ticket office. Number 2, if you do not know how to find a building, you can ask for sure the answer is asking for directions. Number 3, many tourists use a guidebook to learn about a city's history and places to visit. Number 4, you need a passport. You need a passport when you visit another country. Number 5, the restaurant that your cousin told us about was a very good recommendations. Yes, recommendations. Complete the dialogue using these words for sure. Tourist, excuse me, is there a good place to go windsurfing near here? Assistant, the best place is number 2. The best place to go windsurfing is South Beach. There is more wind there than here. Tourist says, what's the best place? What's the best way to get to South Beach? Assistant says you can take a bus. They go every 30 minutes. Tourists say, do you advise us to go in the morning or the afternoon? Assistants say, I recommend that you go in the afternoon. The winds are better then. The tourist, where do you suggest that we stay at South Beach? Where do you suggest that we stay at South Beach? The assistants say, I suggest that you look at this guidebook. I suggest that you look at this guidebook. It recommends many good hotels. Here, write a paragraph about what you like to do when you visit a beach. Okay, we can say, when I visit the beach, I like doing many things. There are many activities to do. I like playing volleyball. I like to go sailing. I like to go snorkeling. I like to go fishing. Many activities we can talk about on the beach. Okay. Here, page number 3. Write the correct part of a speech for the underlined words below. Okay. Number 1, when you need help. Help here is a noun. We worked for 2 hours and then we took a break. A break is a noun too. You shouldn't question. Question here is a verb. Okay. They will tour. Tour here after will should be a verb. She plays tennis very well. It is adverb. What time does it become light? Light here is an adjective. Okay. Question number 2. Read and correct the mistakes in this email. Dear Hassan, I am very happy to hear that you are going to visit England on, oh my God, the seasons we should use in the summer. I am very happy to hear that you are going to visit England in, yes. I advise that you first visit London. No. I recommend that you first visit London. Number 3, you should to find. Oh my God, we said should must be followed with infinitive verb, so we have to say you should find. Okay. Number 4, the best place. Try. No, it must be followed with to plus infinitive verb. The best place to try traditional Egyptian food is at a food market. Let's start with question number 3. Write an email recommending places for a tourist to visit. Okay, we can say we are talking about Hurghada from the beginning, so we can say Hurghada is a nice place for a holiday. There are many activities you can do. Also, there are many places you can visit. It has nice hotels. It has nice or beautiful beaches. It has wonderful beaches. It has excellent weather. When it's windy, you can go windsurfing. and many things, many other things we can say it about Hurghada. Hurghada is a good place, and there are many activities we can talk about in Hurghada. Okay, we have done with unit 1 completely with the workbook. So thank you everybody, and see you when we start with unit 2. Thank you and goodbye.